Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope so all of you are doing very good. So today's lesson is not about beginners level lesson. In today's lesson we are going to see some English sentences that we commonly say with simple English, but they can be said in an improved and new English. So we can see them in our lesson today. Let's start the lesson. मैं थका हुआ हूँ. I am drained out. I'm drained out. मैं बेजार हूँ. I'm bored stiff. I'm bored stiff. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं. It's not for me. It's not for me. मैं गमगीन हूँ. I'm gutted. I'm gutted. मुझे नहीं मालूम. I don't know. I don't know. मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. माफ़ करना. My bad. My bad. जी हाँ. Certainly. Certainly. नहीं. Not likely. Not likely. क्या. Pardon. Pardon. ठीक है. Fair enough. Fair enough. शुक्रिया. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. बराए मेहरबानी. Would you mind? Would you mind? मैं नहीं समझा. It's beyond me. It's beyond me. मैं समझता हूँ. I take your point. I take your point.